go.
You might not want to look as bad as me, though.
I don't want to look as old as you.
You got that right. Shrimp Alfredo Friday.
Hey, I love me some Alfredo. Shrimp, chicken, whatever, but shrimp's my favorite.
I like shrimp scampi the best.
You eat a lot of seafood, John?
What's that, Rick?
Do you eat a lot of seafood?
I eat shellfish like crab, lobster, and things like that, clams, mussels, oysters on occasion. I'll eat all that stuff, but I don't eat fish. I hate fish, and I can blame my father for that one.
Yeah, okay, I heard you, Brian. Brian said if he sees it, he'll eat it, John. Yeah, I like all the seafood. I like oysters and, oh boy, some oyster stew. I haven't had that in a while. I'll have to get on the wife to make me some of that.
Oh man, I haven't had oysters in a while. You know what? My next crab boil or when I low country boil, I might get me some oysters and put some oysters on the grill. You ever have oysters on the grill?
Oh yeah, I've had them every way. Yeah, they're really good. My wife came, no, get them things away from me.
Yeah, Melaine is the same way. She goes, I don't know how you could eat those things. Now, I went many years without eating oysters because one night I had too many libations and ate a lot of oysters and got deathly ill. And just the smell of Southern Comfort now and oysters. I can deal with the oysters. I can't deal with the Southern Comfort.
No, Southern Comfort. I had my run-in with that too, John.
I think we all have, to be honest with you.
Yeah, go ahead, Brian.
Hey, John, you know the last time I ate oysters?
When's that?
I'm going to make you jealous. Me and a group rode from South Belgium to Domburg, Netherlands, on the beach there, and we had Atlantic oysters there on Domburg overlooking the beach, Roger.
Oh, man, that must have been a fun night there for sure.
It was a long day. That was a long ride, but we had a few cervezas and some oysters with Tabasco, and then just enjoyed ourselves. The weather was good. It was what part of the summer was it? It was probably July or August, something like that. But that's like spring here, right?
Yeah, that is like spring here. And you know what? The one thing I did like about being there at this time of year, it used to stay light till almost 10 o'clock at night.
Oh, yeah, no, exactly. Yeah, the longest day when we were in South Belgium, in Germany was very similar when I was there, but the longest day, it got dark finally about 11 p.m. and got daylight at 4 a.m. Over.
Yep, that's how far north you are. I didn't believe it at first. My first year in Germany, I'm like, man, it's light here. And then if you look at a map, I think it's Montreal or something like that. They're on the same latitude as Montreal, so you know that's why it stays light so long. But it is nice. But you know, I like European summers because even in the middle of July and August, you might have to put a sweater or a sweatshirt on in the evening.
Oh, hey, Roger. Yeah, in Germany, I had a place that had like mechanical metal shutters on the outside. I could close those suckers. I didn't know if it was day or night. But in South Belgium, I had to go to the PX and get some blackout curtains to put on the thing. The Belgians, they weren't so good, you know, at getting all that situated. But I mean, some people had them, but the place I had there, right off the base, didn't have it, and I had to get those. And you know, it was a sad moment. You know, I'm sitting there first time and the sun starts popping up at 4 a.m. in the summer, and I'm like, oh my God, what is that thing?
I know what you mean. Though what those shutters were in Germany, every house has them, and it dates back to the Second World War. That blackout at nighttime so you can have your lights or candles in the house and it wouldn't be seen, and they've kept that up all these years. So. All right, I wish we could talk a little bit more, but look at the time. We've been chit-chatting. We're taking away from our check-in. So, Rick and Brian, we're ready to roll. Here we go. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the YL System 40-meter East Coaster, as we like to call it, the shrimp boat, on this TGIF. Thank God it's Friday version. If you're still in the working class, guess what? You got 2 days off. If you're retired like some of us folk and are lucky enough, it's every day is Friday for us. But enough of that. All the nets, bait, and rigging are all set. We're fueling up the tanks, getting ready to hit that no-wake zone and eventually push the throttle forward and go do some shrimping. But till then, we need your participation to get on the shrimp boat. So if you would like to get on the shrimp boat early, come with your call signs now, please.
Here about Delta 8, Quebec, Delta, Quebec.
Okay, Romeo, Charlie, Quebec. Romeo, Charlie, Quebec. Let me get your prefix, please. I should know that. I hear you say it, put your call out every night. Kilo Foxtrot 4. Romeo, Charlie, Quebec. Come on in here. Michael, and what's going on in St. Petersburg today? Now you can't complain. You know what? We've only hit 90 degrees 2 times so far this year. We have been in the 80s, and it's been beautiful. But that trend is going to break tomorrow. We're going to be up in the 90s for the rest of the week, but lower 90s, not like we were last year. You know, mid upper 90s. We're going to be 90, 91, so we can deal with that. But, Michael, we got you on the log. Thank you. Let me move on because we got people that want to get on the shrimp boat. But we do thank you for checking in, and stick around and enjoy the fun. And we'll clear with Kilo Foxtrot 4, Romeo, Charlie, Quebec. Kilo Bravo 4, Sierra Golf Alpha, looking for another early check-in, YL System 40. Come with your call sign now, please.
Quebec, Delta, Quebec. Hello, John.
Hey, Kilo Delta 8, Quebec, Delta, Quebec. Hello, Mike. How you doing today?
Oh, doing fine. Good day. On this side of the grass, no matter what the weather's doing. We already know what Mother Nature's going to be doing. She does what she wants when she wants. Everybody's doing well up here. No problems or anything like that. Just getting ready for field day. And other than that, no other calls or traffic. Just want to say hello to everybody. Hope everybody has a good week. And 73 to everybody. Hope everybody has a good weekend. Remember, folks, it is the United States of America, now and always.
Roger, Roger, Mike. There you go. Well said. I greatly appreciate that. Yeah, you enjoy field day. I'm not a big field day fan. I did once, and it's just not my thing. But I know a lot of people look forward to for the next 2 days, and I wish them all the success. Mike, take care. Have a wonderful weekend, and most of all, stay safe. And again, enjoy field day. And we'll clear with Kilo Delta 8, Quebec, Delta, Quebec. That's our good friend Mike in Greenville, Ohio. Kilo Bravo 4, Sierra Golf Alpha. I'm going to look for one more early check-in before I change controls. If you'd like to get on the log, come with your call sign now, please.
November 3,
N3RAD, Mr. Rick, come on in. How you doing, brother?
Hey, doing good, John, doing good. You're the only one I can hear, so I thought before you left, I'm going to jump on you. But doing everything great, too. The sun finally came out. Rain went away for the time being, and it's all good. Just wanted to check in, John. That's all. Back to you.
Roger, Roger, Rick. Yeah, it's slowly drying out here. I had visions of cutting grass tomorrow, but you know what? It's still too wet, so we're going to wait till Monday. With that weather we're having the next 2 days, it should dry it out, and then I'll be able to cut the grass. Rick, you take care. Have a great weekend, my friend. Always a pleasure. And if you're going to do field day, enjoy. If not, sit back and enjoy your weekend, my friend. And we'll clear with our good friend Rick. That's November 3, Radio Alpha Delta, out of Chapin, South Carolina. And Rick is also a veteran of the United States Army, and we do thank Rick for his service to our country. Go Army, hooah. And with that, I'll send it to Fort Smith. Whiskey Zulu 5, Delta X-Ray. Brian, it's over to you.
Hey, Delta 4, LX.
Hey, Roger, John. Yeah. Field day in the South this time of year is it's fun sometimes, but there's always a risk. You never know what you're going to get, that's for sure. Whether